Number 1. Try digital minimalism. Reduce your digital clutter by unsubscribing from unnecessary email lists, deleting unused apps, and canceling streaming services you don't use frequently. This not only saves you money but also frees up mental space and reduces digital distractions. Additionally, consider switching to free or lower-cost alternatives for software and services. Number 2. Swap clothes with friends. Organize a clothing swap with friends or family instead of buying new clothes. Everyone brings items they no longer wear, and you can exchange them for new-to-you pieces. It's a fun way to refresh your wardrobe without spending a dime and helps promote sustainable fashion. Plus, it's a great social activity that can bring your community closer together. Number 3. Host potluck dinners. Instead of going out to eat, host potluck dinners where everyone brings a dish. This saves money, encourages community, and lets you try a variety of homemade meals. You can even theme your potlucks, such as international cuisine or seasonal dishes, to make them more exciting. Hosting these regularly can significantly cut down on dining out expenses. Number 4. Use a library for more than books. Libraries often offer free access to movies, music, audiobooks, and even workshops and events. Take advantage of these resources to save money on entertainment and education. Many libraries also provide access to online databases, language learning tools, and digital borrowing services, which can further enhance your frugal lifestyle. Number 5. Start a skill swap. Exchange skills with friends or neighbors. For example, you could trade gardening tips for help with home repairs or offer cooking lessons in exchange for tech support. This barter system can save money and build stronger community ties. It's a win-win situation where everyone benefits from each other's expertise without spending money. Number 6. Practice mindful consumption. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it truly adds value to your life. This practice helps prevent unnecessary spending and fosters a more intentional approach to consumption. Consider adopting the one in, one out rule, where you only buy something new if you're willing to let go of something you already have. This keeps your possessions in check and ensures thoughtful purchases. Number 7. Create a capsule wardrobe. Simplify your wardrobe by creating a capsule collection of versatile, high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched. This reduces the need for frequent purchases and makes getting dressed easier. Focus on timeless styles and durable materials to ensure your clothing lasts longer. A capsule wardrobe not only saves money but also reduces decision fatigue and clutter. Number 8. Make a DIY gift jar. Create a jar filled with homemade gift certificates for services like babysitting, pet sitting, or home-cooked meals. These thoughtful gifts are appreciated and cost-effective. Personalize each certificate to suit the recipient's needs and interests, making your gifts meaningful and memorable without breaking the bank. Number 9. Embrace the joy of missing out. Instead of feeling pressured to keep up with the latest trends and events, find joy in simple, low-cost activities like hiking, reading, or home projects. This mindset shift helps you appreciate what you have and focus on activities that bring true fulfillment. Practicing JOMO can lead to a more content and financially stable life. Number 10. Use gray water systems. Install a gray water system to recycle water from sinks, showers, and laundry for irrigation. This eco-friendly habit can significantly reduce your water bills and is a sustainable way to conserve water. Research local regulations and best practices for installing and maintaining a gray water system in your area to ensure safety and efficiency. Number 11. Practice the envelope system. Allocate cash for specific spending categories and place it in labeled envelopes. When the money is gone, you can't spend any more in that category, helping you stick to your budget. This tangible method makes you more aware of your spending limits and encourages discipline. You can also use digital envelope systems through budgeting apps if you prefer a modern approach. Number 12. Host a no-buy challenge. Challenge yourself to not buy anything new for a month. Use the opportunity to get creative with what you already have, repair items, and find free entertainment. Document your progress and reflect on what you learn about your spending habits and needs. This challenge can lead to a greater appreciation for what you own and help you identify unnecessary purchases. Number 13. Start a DIY hobby. Pick up a hobby that allows you to create your own products, such as knitting, soap making, or woodworking. These hobbies can be both fulfilling and cost-saving. Selling your creations at local markets or online can also generate extra income. Engaging in DIY projects can provide a sense of accomplishment and offer a productive way to spend your free time. Number 14. Implement a Use It Up challenge. Commit to using up all the products you have before buying new ones. This can include food, toiletries, and household items. It's a great way to reduce waste and save money. Get creative with recipes and DIY solutions to make the most of what you have. This habit promotes resourcefulness and minimizes clutter. Number 15. Optimize your grocery shopping. Shop at farmers markets near closing time for discounts, join a community-supported agriculture program, or forage for wild edibles if available in your area. These strategies can save money and provide fresh, local produce. Plan your meals around seasonal and on-sale items to further reduce costs. Bulk buying and freezing perishables can also extend your food budget. Number 16. Try house hacking. Rent out a portion of your home, such as a basement or spare room, on platforms like Airbnb. This can help cover your mortgage or rent and generate extra income. House hacking can also include having a long-term tenant or renting out storage space. Ensure you comply with local regulations and consider the potential impacts on your privacy and lifestyle. Number 17. Use a rain barrel. Install a rain barrel to collect rainwater for watering your garden. This eco-friendly habit can reduce your water bill and provide a sustainable source of water for your plants. Rainwater is often better for plants than tap water, as it's free from chemicals. Setting up a rain barrel is a simple and effective way to conserve resources and save money. Number 18. Adopt a minimalist beauty routine. Simplify your beauty routine by using multi-purpose products and natural alternatives. This reduces the need for multiple products and saves money. For example, coconut oil can serve as a moisturizer, hair treatment, and makeup remover. Prioritize quality over quantity and focus on products that provide multiple benefits. Number 19. Set up a home recycling station. Organize a system to recycle materials like paper, plastic, glass, and metals. Many areas offer rebates for recyclables, and it's a great way to reduce waste. Educate yourself and your household on proper recycling practices to ensure maximum effectiveness. Recycling can also inspire more sustainable consumption habits. Number 20. Create a DIY cleaning kit. Make your own cleaning products using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. These homemade cleaners are cheaper, healthier, and just as effective as store-bought ones. Experiment with different recipes to find what works best for your household needs. DIY cleaning products reduce chemical exposure and packaging waste.